everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can redeem Carrefour gift card and you can use on this shop for shopping. So guys, for example, you want to purchase this product, just click this one and you have, for example, you have 10 you have for example 20 dirham on your gift card, and just you have to do, guys, click add to cart, and you can for example add to cart. You have 20 on your gift card balance, and when you pay, you rest just 7 on your balance, guys. You will pay this amount on your gift card and you will stay 7 on your balance, and you can just click checkout and you can redeem this gift card by purchase this item, Turkey, this for example item. This is how you can redeem, guys. You can just pay with your gift card and gift card balance, and you can use it easily and simple method. So guys, this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.